This conference will now be recorded.
Creating the risk and risk IDs and everything too. Okay, you have to notepad also. Maintain Excel sheet, what the risk. Okay, in this notepad also you have to mention, no problem. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do, log on to the GRC system.
Yeah.
So starting on, okay, we have to go for role set and everything. First of all, you have to making as a RFC connections. Okay, go for transaction code SPRO.
Are you recording this?
Just now I'm recording.
Okay.
Starting onwards, you can do one by one. Okay, now select the SAP reference ING. So what is the first step you have to do? Go for common component settings. Common component settings. So under that you have to create one connection.
Create connectors.
Create the connector means you have to make a RFC connection. You have to create one. Previously, what we take, you're taking as a different connection ID.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm taking as my own connection now.
Okay.
Yeah, just click on create button. Give the naming convention like no need type anything. You have to create a new one. Don't create already. You're creating new one.
Okay.
So take anything other than so click on close this, no issues. Okay, now we have to creating as a connection details. No, just no, give the name like so RS you are connecting 400, that's no problem. Yeah, give the connection details like Sudha CLNT 800. Okay, and connection type is then connection type 3.
3.
3 is connecting ABAP system. That is also ABAP based system.
Okay.
That is also ABAP system. Give the description. Give the description. No. Below in the description, 1 description, 2 description, 3 is there. No?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is for connection to Sudha ECC system. Like that you can mention. Connection to Sudha ECC. Capital, everything capital, just mark it. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Click on save button.
Okay.
Okay. Now give the target host below. Target host means you have to providing it that server detail like what are IP address you have. SAP GRC. Both is SAP GRC. That is an SAP GRC.
Yeah. SAP GRC.
Yeah, SAP GRC. Yeah, instance number is 02. 01 is this and 02. Okay, I click on save button. Go for login, check the tab, next tab. Okay, enter the client number. Client number 800.
473.
The 800. Is the 800 client. Client number is 800. Now you log in 473. You log in. You have to connect to 800.
Okay.
User providing any username.
Username in GRC, like no.
800 in ECC system.
Okay. The main one.
Yeah, that's okay. Full access now. Okay, fine. Give the password. GRC 811. Small letters.
Save.
You can say do the connection test.
Okay.
Okay, that is done. Next one. Back to the authorization test. You get the username and password is correct. Authorization, not Unicode.
Yeah.
Do you?
Did.
Okay.
Target is a Unicode system.
That's okay. Do the authorization test. Authorization, I'm sorry. Previous also do the Unicode test only. Yeah. Authorization test.
Why is it saying connection type SAP connection? I
What?
did the authorization test, but it is saying connection test here.
Okay, it's okay, fine. Okay, yeah. No, that is the authorization test also same thing, but it's showing it's okay, that's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Let's suppose username and password is done, it's showing it. Okay, now connection is done successfully. Okay. Then go back,
Okay.
go for again and go back again. No, just save it and go back. Again, go back. Now next one, maintain the connector and connection type.
Should we do any new entry?
SAP, no, SAP already is there. The by default you're taking SAP system.
Okay.
Under SS, define the connectors. Under you have to enter new entries. Okay, click on new entries. Click the target system details. Click on new entries. Browse it. Now it's getting. Find it is better. Click on. You can type it manually. Sudha CLNT 800.
Yeah. Connection type. Okay.
Select the connection type. Don't take everything. Connection types. Everything you have to prevent, then only you can save it. Click on cancel again. That is cancel it. Everything in end, then only you can save it. No need to do everything. Click on yes.
Okay.
Now clear the connection type. Below what connection type. SAP. Source connector. Same you can work. Sudha CLNT 800. Sudha LNT or Sudha CLNT, that is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Remember that name because of
Yeah.
many reason. Yeah. Logical only. Maximum number of four. Give the four background or courses. Background or courses. Four or three. Providing three by default is three agents.
What is it? Maximum number of background?
Courses. Means when you done this, like means when how many background or courses required to browsing or selecting or anything. You're running a background.
Okay. Save.
Yeah. Click on save now.
Okay.
Now select the connector.
Okay.
Select define the connector group.
Okay.
Subject and the subsequent. Yeah, already have group is there. This is the connector group. Okay, click on new entries. No problem. Create new entries.
Here. So the GRC.
Yeah, you just click on that. Just click on assign the connector group. Just click it. No, already is there. No. Assign the connector group type. Click on that. Okay, that's also below one. Again, we go back. That's okay. All girls day. They go back. You have to remember the connection group is most important. Okay.
Okay.
C is the your connector group. That is you have to remember.
Okay.
So that is where is Sudha GRC?
Hmm.
Again below one. Assign the connector to last one. Connector group.
Here we have to give the new one.
Right. Now you have to enter the target. No, click on new entries. Click on new entries. No, new entries. You can add your
Okay.
system. Already is there, but it's no problem. Add one more time. Sudha CLNT 800. Okay, and connection type.
Okay.
Save it. Now open the notepad. You can write whatever you created. Just you have to write a RFC connection. You know that. No. Once open the notepad, because I had to confuse every time because it's not a process. No? Once open the notepad, so check it. So what is the connected group? Even description also you have to remember because when you output, when showing us only description. Okay.
Yeah.
Connect, that's okay. And here connection, what the description? Connection to GRC. No, description I'm saying. Connector group description. Above one you can mention. Connection to any spaces or anything. Capital letter, small letter, okay. Because of so many gaps are created. Our connector group is getting rather.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's only we do now. Okay, fine. Minimize this.
Back.
Back.
Okay. Maintain connection settings.
Wait. Yeah, go back. It's done. Everything is done. Go back.
Okay.
Actually, your screen is okay. Yeah, maintain the connection settings now. Actually, your screen is very slow. That's why I'm able to click
Yeah.
on maintain settings. What we do now? You're doing as a project. What we do now? You're doing as a
Yes.
risk. What is that? Authorization management.
Okay.
So you add the connection details. Click on OK. Add the target connector. What is the target connector? So the CLNT. Below one. Select the AUTH. Under AUTH again scenario connection. Above one. Select the sub scenario connection, and here I said select the sub scenario. Select the entire row. You can select row wise. You can select and click on scenario definition below. No, above one. No,
Definition.
that is not. No, below one.
Scenario connection type. SAP.
Link. Link already SAP is there. No? Yeah, SAP is there. Select the SAP again. Scenario again below one. Scenario above one. Connection to connector link. Click on that. Now enter your target. Target is done. It is.
It's not coming here.
No, just type it. I will know. Save it.
Connection type.
No, you just save it. Automatically, it's not blinking. Huh? It's a
Okay.
blank screen. Okay.
Save. Okay. Okay. And then maintain file paths for logical connector.
No, no, no. Just try. Just click on try. No, file path is not there. Not required. Just save it
Okay.
and go.
Okay. Okay.
Check it. Added is not. Where is added? Scroll down. Added or not? No, check it. Where is the added or not? Okay, fine.
I already closed my video.
Okay, go for access control. That is done. That is common component setting for even access controller, process control, risk manager, everything is common. Okay.
Okay.
Now we go for access controller.
Okay.
So, yeah. Okay. Maintain the connection settings. Maintain the connector setting.
New entry.
Wait, wait. Nowadays, yeah. Click on new entries. Enter the target the project. Connection type. Application type. No, application type.
SAP.
Hmm.
Environment. Production.
Yeah. I agree. Okay, fine. Production. Okay. Left side. Let's say again. Checkbox is there. Scroll left, right side. Check the check. Okay, that save it. Okay, then go back. No, there is no alphabets. No need anything.
Okay.
Save and back.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, save and back. Add
Okay.
it. Click it.
Yeah.
Save it again. Here also save it.
All right. Done.
Yeah, get one small doubt. For Sudha user ID under Sudha, what are the connector groups is there? Okay. Once scroll upside, go for shared master data. You are making as default or not. I'm getting some doubt there because of again we are in it.
Okay.
Again go for connector groups is option is there. Sudha connector group is there. No, common component setting, not the shared common component.
Where do we check? Maintain connection
For
settings.
Sudha user Sudha SAP, select the SAP. And I'll go for last one. The connector group is there. Check it. That is the default is available or not. No, no, there only maintain the connector. You can select the SAP.
Okay. Yeah.
Under SAP, how assign the connector group to connect the last one is there. No? Let me go for that. Last one. Assign the connector group. You don't providing logical. Logical also you can mention the same thing. Logical port number also same thing.
Okay. Let me do this and then so that GRC is done. Okay.
Same thing. Where is a group now? Select the group.
Can I take the first one off?
Okay, no problem. No, no, no need problem. No need. No, that's no
Okay.
issues. Okay. Above one is then above. Assign the connector to connect group is there. That is also there. Check all the assign the connector group. So assign the connector
Okay.
group something actions.
Logical port, we will give the same
Same.
thing. Okay. And then okay.
Save it once again. Subsequent, you don't give any subsequent. Go for direct connector group only getting sometimes.
Okay.
Give the subsequent connection also same thing is better. Click on new entries. Same details you can provide it. Click on new entries.
Connection type SAP.
No, actually typing everything.
Connection. Okay.
Below one, define the connector group. Already you defined it.
Yeah.
Check the Sudha under Sudha connection group actions.
This is the one that we did, right?
Let's say let's okay. Under check it below.
Logical group.
That also okay. Okay, fine. Check it. Then save it and go back. Okay.
Yeah.
Go back. Then is the next connector settings is done. Yeah. Now go for mapping the actions. That is then mapping that second. Hmm. Hmm. Click on new. Already is there. Okay, is already is. Okay, application type you know selecting. What is the application type? Go back.
One is there.
Is there okay? Fine. Okay, okay. Assign the default connector. Click on assign the default connector. What are the connector groups you're adding? You're not adding anything. Sudha GRC. Okay, remember this also connector group. No, no. Now you're providing a new, na. Now you're providing a new entries, not taking a new entries because our client is different, na.
Okay.
Create a problem. Just click on new entries. No, no,
Okay.
no, no problem. Just click on new
Yeah.
entries.
Okay.
Sudha GRC1. GRC1. No, no, that is one. Putting as a this is the connector. Okay, action one. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Target connector. Hmm. Like you do all. Take different because again it may be very confusing. Sudha connection group. Okay.
Save.
Yeah.
Only one default. Okay, we have to make the other one
Uncheck it.
non-default.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we go back and do that?
Okay. Okay. Do uncheck that is Sudha group under uncheck. What other things is there? You can uncheck it.
Yeah.
Where is that? Hmm. Right, save it.
Yeah.
Okay. Then go back. No need. That's fine.
Can I delete these because
Yeah. Okay.
can I?
Delete it. No issues. Delete option is there. Delete option.
Yeah. Okay. Now only 5. Okay.
Save.
Okay.
Back. Yeah, it's done. Now you have to go for everything is connections is done. Then go back. No need to that. No need to group
Okay.
field mapping. That thing is there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now creating as a business process or business process.
New entry.
Hmm.
Or should we use the one?
Business process, anything. You have to remember the description very, very important because of the description only very important.
Yeah. Shall we use this one?
Take different is better. New entries, click on new entries.
Okay.
Give the, some technical like enter the notepad also.
Okay.
Yes, Sudha. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. No, no, that is a meaning is a module name. Business process is nothing is a module name. Good. Now is GRC Sudha mod like putting as description also putting same thing. No, no, that is okay. Business is okay. That GRC Sudha that's okay. Description I'm saying. Say business process is nothing but it's a module name. Okay, yeah. No, providing description like a module, module. Enter it, yeah, GS to the module.
Okay. Save.
Yeah, click on say. Assign the sub business process also. Remember this business with the description also. Copy and paste into notepad.
Okay.
And click on new entries. After that, you can do it now. Again, under GRC AC, putting a GRC AC. Give that. So that no putting an access controller. So that something like that. Business process understanding because don't give any space in between.
Okay.
Description also. Mm, mm. Okay, fine. Save it. One is fine, no problem. Just click on save. Okay. Remember that enter the diagram with the description also you can mention. No, no. What is that description? Where is that technical? You're providing a description. That's why you have to make Excel sheet is better. Description. What are the data? Notepad again. Business
Okay.
process name is a GRC Sudha. No, no. First of all, okay, okay. That is sub business process. Okay. Mm. Business process. Mm. Copy and paste. Copy and paste.
Okay.
Mm.
Do you need to assign the application area?
No need, no need application. You don't have any application.
Okay.
Save it. Okay. Okay. It may create an organization also
Okay.
for shared master data. Shared master.
should we select here? All in
First.
mode. Okay.
Give the company different company name. CS, okay, CSIT. Click on execution, not say execution.
Sorry.
Wait.
Route created successfully.
No, not back. Click on execution. No, that is okay, fine. Okay. Screen sharing is there. Okay, fine. It's great. Okay, fine. Now everything is done. Now we can go for as a NWBC. NWBC. Go for setup.
Okay. Yeah.
First of all, create the set ID. Rule sets. First, create the rule sets. Remember the description. So, MP important. The resource description also important.
Okay.
So this is the rule set ID. Description also important. Same thing. Description also important. Same thing. No problem.
Okay.
Check it now. Create.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then go for create the risks.
Functions.
Yeah, for create the functions. Same thing. Description also you can provide. Business process. Now 10. So what a business process you're taking? Okay. Single system or cross system. Okay, that's okay. Fine. Means it's go for only back and front. Now add it. Add the your last connection group details. You can add it. What a connection group you're creating? Where is your connection group?
Connection
SN
to GRC.
59 you create. That is only. Let me check.
Connection to GRC.
Connection to GS. That is only enough.
Yes.
Connection. I think that is a okay description. Target connect ticket. Now add the transaction to actions. Action is a transaction. To go for actions, type it SUD down. Okay. This is also you have to remember what are the transition you could add it.
Okay. Okay. Permissions?
Once again, you go for permissions also. You can do permissions also. What are the authorization options you activated? That is also your remember. What happened?
Why is there nothing?
You can submit is asking permission without permissions. How is it?
No, still not coming.
For permissions? No problem. Okay, only action we can do that. No issues. You can create one more function.
Yeah, let's see if it is there.
Transition created.
No, it's not there.
You can refresh once again. You log in user ID.
Same one, right? GRC.
GRC one only, no?
Yeah.
Let me check it once again.
User GRC1.
GRC one only, no? Stop. Here also same error. Previous also the connected group. The connected group is shown only. You can refresh once again. Create one more time. No problem. Previous also there is Sudha 1, Sudha 2. Again create 210. Is that okay? That connection group you give the wrong, then it's not taken. Not RFC connector group. Connector group we can provide it. Not RFC details. Function 2. No, 2. You can create 2 now. Function Sudha already is there. Sudha 1 is there. Sudha 2 you can create.
It was not created, right?
No problem. This maybe
Okay.
again is created, no? That's why.
Okay.
Take.
Oh.
Add the system here only getting some. System is nothing but you are getting the connection details. Okay, just me browse. Let me take any connection details is related to your system. Is then connected to SIDA system? What is that? Scroll upside. Scroll upside. Is the connector group. Scroll upside. Scroll upside. Scroll upside. Yes, what is that? SUDA EC system. What is that?
That
Okay.
that may be from the before.
Before.
Yeah.
Now it's a connection group test you want to give it.
System, right?
System is no is a RFC connections is there, even that is also is available. Both is available. Once go for connector group, let me check. Second, ECC connector group. It's all connection group. Go for SPRO. SAP under SAP. SAP under SAP can select. First select the connectors. Take this Sudha a connection to GRC.
This is what we selected.
Okay, that's okay, fine.
Is the other one.
This group only there, na? There also. Click on do some changes here. Previous also connection is there. Yeah, connection due to something. Small description you can change it. Description you can change it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Just I'm adding Sudha here.
Save it.
Okay.
Now check it. Assign the groups. Assign the character group. Let me try. Okay.
Logical group.
Okay. Again below one. What are the connection details is there? Here the only one connection details. Remove first one.
Yeah.
Save it. Try it. Open one more time. Close this and open one more time.
All NWBC.
NWPC.
Okay.
Functions. Previous also last year also same error is getting. If the you do change the connection group, then the functional ID is created. GRC Sudha module. And take the connection. Add some other different EFCG. Already SU0 and added some other PFCG actually.
Oh, it's saying no records found for the search criteria.
Previously, if I had connection, it select the same connection.
Same connection. We just changed the name, right? And then,
Okay.
is there anything else that we need to
No need to
change?
do nothing. Nothing is perfect. Let me check this. Go for S. Again, try it. Go for again SPRO. No, here is affected means remaining everywhere is affected. No issues for that. selected connection.
What else do we need to check here?
Right? Yeah, that's okay. That is okay. Now go for NWS directly. We're already open NWS. Window is already open. Create the functions.
Same thing, no records found for the search criteria.
Okay, typing in normally. Type it, go for no need to go. Just go for type manually. No need to browse. Just click on type manually. No, you don't need to discuss anything. Just click on save. Submit. Yeah. Okay. Do one more. Change this to yours. Do one more. Let me try. Is there? Even is not taking here. So just click on refresh and try it.
No.
Previously, what connection you're taking? Let me try. Previously, what the connection you're taking? So the function one, select that and just open. You take open, open.
Same connection. Business process is the difference.
Okay, business process is check. Okay, same connection is there. No problem. It's no problem. Then you can remember these function IDs. Okay, remember this
Okay.
Sudha function 2. Okay,
Okay.
put it at there. Function 1, function 2. There you can put it. Only function 1 is there.
Two, both of them are.
Yeah, copy and paste it to Notepad. Function ID you have to remember. Sudha function 1 and Sudha function 2. And remember the transition course also. What are transition code you're assigning for both?
Okay. PFCG, SUGR. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And transition course. Say the transition course also. Under what is the transition you're assigning?
Risk.
Now create the access risk. Remember the risk ID. Risk type as follows. Don't give the much description. Okay, high level, medium level. Okay, coding is a high level. Create the risk. Okay. Add the function IDs. Add the rule set. Is asking as risk owner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go for S201 in backend ADNS system. You can create it. Optional means you can get no. When just click on submit is getting error. Is optional means no need, but is mandatory means you can create it. Again, you have to create. Go for not GRC system. Back OCC system. Let me try submit.
No, so it is saying S risk one we already created, right? So it has the same functions. So it is
Okay,
saying,
okay,
see.
okay, okay. Then you can delete that. No problem. Already is there. Just delete it. That already is there. Then delete it. Already you can just check it. Maybe the risk owner also already there. There is no problem. Then you can try it later. New one. No, no. That risk one is there. Just go for risk one. Open the risk one. Open the notepad risk one.
Yeah, risk owners. Sudha.
Is there already?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Copy and paste it in. And maintain the risk IDs also. SR risk 100. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Now go for as a. Okay. Fine. Okay. Everything is done. That's okay. Fine. Now we are to be providing the risk analysis. Na? So before you want to go for risk analysis, first of all, what we do? Yeah. Okay, remember the description, everything fine. Okay. Now what we'll do? Go for backend system, create one user ID, assign this transaction to anyone, create one user ID. Already creating them, I think. Backend system. Assign the same rules. Already is there, let me check. So assign the same transaction code from new. Create one rule. No need to just click on save it, create a new role. No, no, where you creating? You're creating into the EC system you have to create it because you have to browse it as a backend system. No?
Yeah.
We can add it here automatically. The same user is available into the receiving system is there. No? This is central system. So you have to maintain the user IDs in there also. No, once go for GS, once go for into the there. Once go for into the ECC system, sorry, GRC system.
Okay.
This is the central maybe. Those are asking as a. Instead of you want the synchronization, you can do this process also. Yes, both create one role. Create a one role. Jet underscore risk one. Role name. PFCGR. No need, no need. Target system, no, target system is no need. When you're adding, you can, when you're adding, then we can mention, no need. Role, menu tab. Add the transaction codes. Operations. Give the user compare, user compare. Okay, now go for assign. Go for SU01 once again. Let me try. There is even go back. Go for SU01. Enter that user. Just click on change button.
So it's there.
Okay, there is a receiving system is no. Even okay, sending system is not available. Okay. No, it's not done. I think it's not mentioned. 800 is something. Go for 800. Do same process.
Okay.
Yeah. Same user ID because it's different. No? Create one role. Create a one role. Type it manually. SU01 is. Propose a profile name. Generate. No, save it and go for SU01 and do it because it's some IDs is disable this. Go for SU01 and sign it. Manually can assign. Do the synchronization. Okay, no problem. It's done. Save. No problem. Now go for SPR. Do the synchronization. Synchronization. GRC. Not plugin. Normal system. GRC. No, you done here. No, synchronization. No, synchronization. Access control only. The access controller. Sorry, we're doing this process into log on to GSS so you can do it, na? You're doing
Synchronize.
it. Yeah.
We cannot synchronize from the parent system.
No. Because of now you want importing this data into the GIS system.
Yeah.
Okay, then you have to providing as a go for SPRO because in SPRO you can synchronize it. Means backend system to front-end system. Now you want already target connector is there. So you have to now go for GRC, same access controller. Do the repository data synchronization because of not one. Okay.
This one, right? The last one.
No, not that. That's it. Connection is different. EH7, CLNT is then okay. Do it, no problem. Everything is no thing. EH7, kick it. Okay, no problem. Do that. Okay, now it is taking some time. Now log on to GRC system again. Open a new session.
GRC.
GRC system, creating a 2 user IDs. Already you done the 2 user IDs. What is the user IDs you're creating? Mitigation, approval, mitigation. Those
Yeah.
user IDs are okay. Okay. Go for SVG down, creating as a mitigation approval, mitigation.
Just checking. Just make sure. So this is controller. So I have this monitor.
This is the monitor.
Yeah.
I'm not able to see it. Check the roles. Control. This is the monitor. Send the MIT mitigate to perform this or this ticket. Putting it, this is the monitor. Owner. That is
So
okay.
this is owner. This one should be fine, right?
Ticket is fine.
Okay, synchronization is still going on.
Hello, Sudha. Go for
Yeah.
Internet Explorer. Already open na? No, already open na? Already open na? No, Internet Explorer. Already NWS open na?
Yes.
Go. Organization. Under organization, you add this two. You can add this two.
Okay.
Go for organizations. Under organization, you have to go mitigation. Just click on add option is there. Na? Add. So open. No, no. You add is not to be asking new organization. Close this. Open is there. Na? Under open, you can. for owners. Owners tab. Just click on add the row. Add the why same as me also getting.
Sub-process, do we need to?
No need.
Okay.
Because every company is showing now. Okay, no problem. Let's check it that has done. Sigre is done or not.
Still going on.
Okay. Yeah, now go for mitigation control ID. Create the mitigation control ID. WBC, go for mitigation. Click on create. Name. Control ID. This is the ID. Description, organization. This is a mitigation control ID. Organization. CS. No, CS is IT is under CS. Parent you can select. No need to. Don't need to make sure there is no managed, not managed. CS you can take in. CS IT you're adding or CSC only? CAT. Okay, no problem. CSC also is there. Na? CSC is the parent, CSIT is the child. Okay, no problem. No issue. Based on the organization getting that. RS is not. Now go for owners. No need to sub process. No need to do anything because of no need to providing sub process also because of same mitigation ID I book for different also. Don't providing as a risk also because you don't get till now risk. Go for owners.
Okay.
Owners add the so for example you put the risk means every risk you can assign it. Owner, now you can browse the owners. No need to suggest. Click on search. Both will be getting by default. No need to suggest. Click on start because when your organization is assigning, by default is getting there. It's not getting. Means that is CS IT is taking. Okay, change the organization. Go for general. General. No. Here only. No, click on general only. Change the organization. That's enough. Okay, he's asking again. General. Click on cancel it. No problem.
Let's give maybe CSC IT.
I was getting.
Yeah. Okay.
You're not providing any risk because of so this mitigation control you can assign any risk. Okay. Suppose you're providing any risk, so you have to go for access risk you're providing. That particular risk only is affected.
Okay.
Yeah, you can close this. Now to check it. This is also done. Let me check it. Is done or not again. Synchronization done or not. Let me check. Not done.
Not done.
Go for NWBC, no problem. Go for NWBC. NWBC. Click on mitigation on BC. Create the mitigation users. Access management.
I just did these two this morning.
Which one? These two you're creating.
Yeah.
What are the things you creating? Mitigation monitor, mitigation approver.
So this is controller. So I gave monitor mitigation monitor role.
1 second. So it's rolling. No, that is okay. That is creating, just now you're assigning their own, like already you done, that is.
Yeah.
Okay, then go back. That is also go for mitigation users. Go for access management. This is the normal one, no? Mitigation, Access management. Access management you're having as a mitigating users.
Where is that?
No, access
Okay.
management mitigating users is there. No?
Okay.
Yeah, but actually, once you want to get the risk, then only can mitigate, but you don't get the risk now. Your synchronize is going. Click on assign option is there. Provide the risk ID. Role ID. Okay, that is also is done. Okay, fine. So yeah, control ID. That is only control ID. Provide that control ID. Already 1 year is taken by default.
So this control ID is whatever we created in NWVC, mitigation
Yes,
control.
yes, enter button. Just click on enter because the monitor and approve is automatically be changed.
Okay.
Enter button. Yes. Okay. Now it's taking. Okay. Now here, right side is that all systems is taking, means across all the systems is add. If you want to add the system, you can add it. Okay, that's okay. Now here add the system means who are getting that mitigation means which user you can assign it. For example, in EC system, what are the user you're creating now?
03.
EC system, just now you're synchronizing, no? So assign
Yeah.
that user ID. Means which guy is getting as a risk, those will be our mitigating. Okay, you can add that user ID. Maybe once you synchronize, then all is getting. Maybe try it, the user ID is available or not.
Okay.
What are user ID creating ECC system?
Sudha GRC 03.
Is there? Is
No.
getting here?
No.
Yes, still is synchronized is going there. You can add the system. Once again, add the system. What happened is that it?
Why is it saying control Sudha MITCN is not valid for risk ID as risk 1 and role ID?
Risk
Why is
role
it?
ID. Okay.
We didn't mention the risk ID, right? Access risk.
Okay, okay. Just putting a star.
Here?
No, no, as risk ID. Risk ID putting a star. No
Okay.
need type anything, just putting a star. And role ID also putting a star. You don't know what they're just putting a star, no problem. Role ID also putting star. Role ID putting star. Click on. No save.
Same thing.
No, star also same thing. Okay, once go for that control ID, putting a star there.
Oh, you want to put the star here too?
Not here, there. When you create
Yeah.
the mitigation
Okay.
control, there you can add the tab, open that. Not here. Mitigation. Go for setup. Go for
Yeah.
mitigation control ID. There you can put a star. setup mitigation control ID. Where is that mitigation control? First one only then. Okay, this is now open.
Mm.
Access is.
You cannot change
To
this now.
change. Click on request to change. Above is then a request to change. Access is go for what happened? Once again, this process is. It is steady putting a star here. Again, this request is submitted to workflow. Let me check the synchronize still is completed or is not going. Who is the parent? Okay. Okay, give the okay is approving. Okay. Again, if somebody is maintain, click on okay, there's some request, change the request. Click on change. Click on okay. This is going to your risk owner. Who is the owner again? That guys will be there. No? Who are regarding those are okay. Change the
Mm.
request. Close this. Just click on close this. No issues. Parent to PSP done. Again, you want to create new one. No problem. Again, is good to October. That's fine.
Yeah.
Let me try just think it's synchronize is done or not. Is copy option is there? Just me copy is better instead of creating it in copy option is there. Just check if the synchronize done.
No, not yet.
Okay, copy that. Risk ID can mitigation ID control ID can copy. No, create new one because if you don't notice, just create new one. Copy also is not. Just try to create new one.
Create new one. Okay.
Yes. Because again, you do the copy same processes then. No? Again, you're not
Okay.
able to do this. First of all, add the risk putting a star there.
Yeah, I did that.
But when you're adding is saying is again is adding some bit, no? Already this approval is maintained some other guy, na? That's maybe not big. Accessories as adding.
Yeah, I did zero. Sorry.
Thing is,
Start.
okay. Okay.
Okay. Here. This was fine. Data has been saved.
Yes, now it's saved. Okay. Yeah, closed. Done. Now Sudha03 he is getting as a, you have to adding multiple users also. Not only that Sudha user 3. Even suppose now I want to providing some risk analysis. It's taking some time now. Now you have to go for risk analysis. That is mitigation is going to be done. Yeah. Now I want to go for risk analysis. So yeah, do the risk analysis. Username GRC user 3. Okay. Same user is available in GRC system also.
No.
Okay, no problem. Just click on add one more user ID is better. No. Go for that again. Go for just click on add GRC system. What are the user IDs? You can add that also. GRC just now you're creating one user ID, one role now. What are user ID creating? Again, mitigation users.
You mean the mitigation users?
No. Just now you're creating as a one risk user right now. So the GRC is something. One
Yeah,
user ID is creating GRC system.
Sudha GRC03 is the one, right?
That is you're creating in an EC system or GRC system?
ECC. GRC is GRC Sudha 03. You want to add? You want to add that?
Add that is also. Yes, add that also. Click on add again. What happened?
It's
The
not
option
done.
is not okay. Once you submit again, check it.
You cannot change it once we submit.
No problem. You can close it. No issues. Once once it's done, you not do change. Changes is not the one you can submit. You cannot do. Okay, now go for user level risk. Now you're creating as a go for user level risk. Enter the GRC CLNT 473 because of that user is available into the 473 only. We'll try that.
No, the one that we gave is GRC systems, right?
Yes. No.
No.
ECC. Yeah.
ECC.
No. So ECC is not available. Now it's synchronized. Still synchronized is going
Yeah,
on.
still synchronization is going on.
Okay. Let me try that connection details also. Let me try. Maybe it's getting a risk or not. Let me try that. Just enter that connection. Sudha CL 800 something. Enter the user ID. Remove that user group. Enter the user ID. What is user creating? Sudha GRC something. So okay, and remove that all risk level all. That is also okay. Remove that. Okay. Rule set. Browse the rule set. Why the rule set is there? No. What happened? You do all. No, click on close this. It goes all. I say user group and custom key removing.
Okay.
Okay, remove those because you don't know anything about them. Just remove those. Okay, and set up the rule set. Rule set also you can change it. No need to remove. Yeah, what is the rule set? What is the rule set? Check it out, but you know that. That is on, Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now uncheck the critical action, critical permission. Now you go for action level and permission level. Go for only action level because action level is not for transition level. Uncheck the all checkbox. Only check the check action. It means action level is nothing but I can perform only for transition level. Okay, that in foreground.
No risk.
Okay, remove that username also. Remove the GRC too. Actually, what is the risk is the risk you want to get in now here. Close this. So remove the GRC through user ID. Just click and cancel this. Putting at the star. I want to monitoring every user ID. Click and cancel. Cancel it.
Everyone or GRC one?
Everyone. Click on OK.
Okay. Okay.
Now is getting anything?
Yeah.
Yes. See, so many things is available. That means, but transaction code is not assigning. This all users is having as a risk.
Okay.
But risk ID is not
Can
mentioned.
we
No.
just check?
We have risk ID requiring.
We don't have much information.
Okay, now if you want to mitigate it, you can add this user ID there also. You can find that user.
Mitigate risk?
No, just mitigating risk means that only user ID you can add that user ID also. What are the user ID you can add? Just you can add it. What are the user you can add? ALR remote. Enter the ALR remote. ALR, which is no. What are the user ID you want to add? No. So he's individually hard to provide it. Yeah. ALR remote. ALR remote. You don't anything. Just monitor. Provide the monitor.
Okay.
Sudha?
System?
Email only. System no need. Putting a star. Okay. Now organization also putting star. No. Your system is much like your system is there, no? Sorry. Star. Your system is there, no?
Yeah.
No, you have to put mitigation putting all, no? I think star. You can give a star. Okay. Yeah. Providing no problem. Yeah. Providing that okay.
The
Which was
organization.
yeah. Role ID you can putting a star.
No,
No.
it says it doesn't
Yeah.
exist.
Okay. Browse it.
No, there is nothing here.
It's not when you risk it, then only you mention. I think
Access risk ID.
putting star.
We'll do that.
Okay. No problem. Try it.
Save.
Yeah. Save it.
Okay, what does it mean now?
Now means so this guy is getting as a risk. Okay. I had to monitor.
Okay, how do I get a
Monitor is nothing but yeah. This how you monitor is nothing. Just click on cancel this. Just click on cancel this. Just click on cancel it. Who are monitoring? How you know that is nothing but just click on cancel it. Now you have to above as an including as a mitigation risk is just take that checkbox. Including mitigation. No, not there. When you're running as a user level only, there are one option is that including as a mitigation risk. Which risk is mitigated?
this one? Include mitigated risks.
Yes. Now you can run. So now which user you are mitigating, that user is showing. Okay, this is risk is maintained by this monitor like is getting. Oh, usually you remove it. No, everything same. Only that the checkbox you have to do it. Action level and including as a mitigation risk.
Okay, let me.
You can let me try. You know the particular user, you can give the particular user. If you don't know any user, so you have to mitigate it. Mitigating means just so you have to reduce it. That's it. Mean that user is now it mitigated. User group and customer key can remove. Set the rule set. Change the rule set. Now, what is the risk? What is the mitigation you're monitoring? Just is monitoring. Run in both.
Everything is
Monitor is getting as control ID. Remaining is not getting only mitigation. Scroll down. Where is the ALE remote?
this one.
The column C control ID monitoring ID is showing yes. Why is not showing? As I said, you have a more controller. The columns is there. No. Is there? After execution count, you having as a controller monitor is there. There will be
Yeah.
getting as.
Yeah.
Then only is correct.
It's not assigned properly or what?
Means actually that is not. Yeah, that is meaning that the user is not added properly.
Should we do add or create control? Create control again gets us to the
Again,
creating.
new one. Yeah, new one. If you want admins, already go further. You can add. Just click on add. Just click on add. Now you can add the user ID. ALA remote. Or you can add the user ID. Organization. Browse it. Okay, now putting a risk ID star. No?
Risk ID star.
Okay, risk ID star is does not exist. Not showing. Okay, take it. No problem. No problem. You can take SR or something. Oh, SR. Think your risk ID provide. Yes, risk star. Risk ID previously getting error. Na? Risk ID does not exist just like that. Provide the risk ID.
Yeah, just.
Now monitor is getting as a mail also. Every time is getting as a mail. This guy monitor is there. Na? Is getting as a everyday mail. Now once is approving, then only application. Let me share. Save it. Validation from validation to change the validation. It's taking is okay.
When we save it, it is just closing.
Okay, chicken. No problem. That's it. Okay, now we can try it. It's showing as a here. Now when you're running as a report, then it's showing as that. Change the type. Action level is there. Just change the type. Only
Type.
including. No problem. No, we can run. Okay. No. All that is okay. No, not that. No, dialog is okay. That's okay. Click on done. Uncheck the show the all object. Uncheck the show the all object.
Yeah, I did that. Then it is doing giving us nothing.
Show the all object and it's showing. Just the role level system, everything is showing is one by one, but it's not showing anything. That is one plus group one close. Now just check it. Now synchronize is done. Maybe we get the rest, then it will mitigating. This is the perfect scenario. We do my risk level mitigation analysis.
This is done.
No, that's just check it. PFC is done. Sorry, that synchronize is done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now to go for risk analysis.
Okay.
Access management, risk, user level risk. Enter the system. User ID Sudha GRC3 something. What is the user system? What is the user ID you have? Now you want to get the risk. Then you can mitigate it. Mm. The remaining you have to go for only action level. Action level and permission level.
Rule set.
Permission. Rule set. Yeah, change the rule set. Hey, remember the rule set. What is the rule set is available? You change the rule set from that also. It will be try.
To the RL1.
No, because of the risk is available, the rule set are not outside. Okay, fine, no problem. Just no problem. No, just learn it.
Okay.
Now let's get the rest. Risk is one. You want to get the risk ID. Get the risk ID. You want to get the risk ID, role ID, risk level. What is the risk ID you want to get? No. Once you're getting, then only can add it. Others no need to add. You want to get the risk ID, role ID, risk level is high, and system and execution. So after that, you can just click on mitigating. Mitigating is nothing but showing as overall result.
Okay.
Okay, the result.
Okay.
Actually, you want to get the risk because you're not able to create the risk. No? That is why maybe somewhere once you change the rule set, close this, change the rule set, enter the same user ID, change the rule set. Any other rule set you have previously you created any rule set? Yeah, try.
Have something.
Previously to that risk ID where we add it because now we creating as risk is different. The rule set is different. No.
Shall I use someone else's?
Yeah, you can
But
take a set.
we don't know what do they have in
Change the
theirs.
rule set is right. Change the rule set is global.
Okay.
Global. This is standard one.
Yeah, it's coming, but the risk level.
Scan. Yeah. This guy is not getting away. Okay. Remove the user ID also. Remove the user ID also. I want risk ID. Then only you get the overall. The process is everything correct, but you're not able to add the risk ID today. Now remove the username. Remove the user also. Querying as well. Okay.
Shall I give star? Because if we don't give anything, then it is not taking a long time then.
Okay. What is GRC one you can give in? Because based on the rules you get analyzing system is you want to get the risk, no? GRC one. The rules that you get, but you don't know what the risk is getting and what the because
Excuse me. Yeah, okay.
no risk it is getting.
No.
She should be on compulsory risk ID. Then only you can go for that. Without risk ID, you don't know anything about it. Then only you can mitigate it.
None of them have.
No, it's a and if you go actions is required. Actions is that way you are what is the transition code you are assigned. The transition code also showing now. Okay, change the rule set. Change the rule set. I don't go. Okay, change the system. Let me change the system also. Go for that. Just click on change the system. You go Sudha CLNT maybe. So let's close this and enter the GRC CLNT 473. Enter the user ID GRC Sudha. Now previously what are the user ID creating? Just give that. Now check it. Action level only.
Nothing.
Remove the user ID. GRC is to user ID.
In that system, there is nothing coming.
Okay. Take different. Okay. Even user is putting star, then he's not getting anything.
Yeah, even star, it is not getting anything.
Okay. Take another system.
Okay, can we get EH7? Let's see.
LF of the connection you're taking. No, not that. Taking is no, there is just taking a lot of time. Take another one. Just browse it.
Okay.
Take it. Okay. You can start it. First one is LH. Something is there. No, take that. See. Yeah. Take first one.
Okay, this we are getting.
Now is there the risk IDs and even you getting the transaction codes also.
Okay, maybe I guess I will try opening the existing risk IDs once and see
Yes.
what's the change.
And now we
And
have to mitigation. Suppose already somebody mitigating is showing as a mitigation also. So is your transaction is showing, is the system is showing, is the risk level is showing. Okay, still is nobody is mitigating this. No,
yeah.
he's mitigating, but he's not showing. Maybe he's not showing. Okay, just click on OK. Now click on mitigation. Now you can click on your mitigation. Just click on mitigation.
Oh, we can see something here, but not in the main.
Yeah, yes. Now see already somebody, yeah. Now automatically what happened? GRC one, access ID, and you give the mitigation
But
controller.
but it is not showing here.
With our system.
No,
No,
here. Like control.
already mitigated. No, you not check button. No? Click on cancel. Click on cancel it. Cancel it. You have to not check
Okay.
the checkbox is including as a mitigation risk.
Okay.
That is showing. Once you check,
Okay. Wait. Let me just do the include mitigate risk.
not getting. Scroll down below.
It is showing that okay. I guess it won't show here or what, because we are getting them in the search,
Okay.
but it's just that it is not showing the names here.
Okay.
Then
It's showing in
even
the
the before whatever we did also is correct, right?
yes.
But it should show as usually.
Yeah, you can show that compulsory. Then only an understanding. Every time you not just click on mitigation, you not do every time. Showing
Yeah.
everything. Once again, I think I have to go for format. Is there change the format? Format summary is there. No? Go for format. No, there only. And I'm saying show the all object. Click on show the all object. Again, select the radio button. Mitigation analysis. Type is then mitigation analysis.
Okay.
Now click on show it. Just click on. Yeah, now it's showing
Yeah.
mitigation controller and mitigation monitor is showing.
Okay. Let me try our one.
Yeah, first of all, you want to get the risk. Na? That is only our issue. Risk is not getting. Risk ID is getting, then only is getting. Here is showing. Without risk. Risk is not prediction. Which is click star.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So again, remediation also there. Remediation is nothing but simulation. How you can remove? Below is the user level simulation is there. Na? That is meaning of remediation.
Okay.
Mitigation is just reducing, but simulation is entire you have to remove it. That is meaning of remediation. Here you can calling it simulations. Okay. Yeah, try to analysis. You have to show the mitigate and you have to delete it.
Okay.
Above steps is there. No, that is one. It's not showing any output. It's showing one by one checks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Above that, they do next like. This you have permanent solution. You have to remove directly.
Oh, okay.
Enter the user.
So it will just remove that user?
No, not remove the risk. What the risk is that is removed. Not remove what the transition risk is there based on your set. Click on next. Above is there next. Just it. Define the simulation criteria. Give a system actions, action from action to what are the roles, everything. System.
What is from to?
Transition code. What's a transition code? Which transition code? SAG to something. Putting in something. SAG to SU13. Action is other transition code.
No, I mean the naming from to.
Yeah. Click on next. No need to do anything. Just click on next. This transition code, you have any risk case there? This automatically is. Click on next. Nothing is there. Permission. Nothing is there. You can download it. After this confirmation is showing us. We don't have anything else.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll
This
let
is a
you. Yeah.
here.
We can continue tomorrow.
One time, 2 times. Yeah, that's okay. You do
Yeah.
3 times practical, then you can.
Yeah. Sure.
This conference will now be recorded.